Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Babes, look nice, see? The sun grew with it. It's a beautiful day today, guys. So we decided that we're gonna take you guys on a walking tour of our neighborhood. Now we have not done this yet. If you guys are new here, my name is Dems.
Nats.
Jamaican living here in Grand Prairie, Alberta. Smash a like on the video, subscribe and drop a comment. So we recently bought our house like 2 months now.
Yeah, 2 months.
Not a recent.
A recent. 2 months are recent.
So we are gonna give you guys a tour of our neighborhood, guys. We live on the east side of Grand Prairie. We haven't lived on this side of the city prior to buying our house, so this is new for us as well. So come along, guys, and see what our neighborhood is looking like. One of the things that's very common here, guys, is this community mailbox. So some houses have their own mailbox, but some communities have community mailbox, which means that all of the houses on the stretch, mailbox is right here. So you have to come here to collect your mail. That's something that we've never had to deal with either, but we always see it.
Yeah.
And we always joke and say,
but it makes sense to know that like the mailman or mail person can drop off their mail at one spot instead of walking
door to door.
every house.
Yeah.
In this area. So yeah.
It's a beautiful day today, guys. It's +7 actually, so it's a bit slushy.
It's nice.
It's a beautiful day. The sun is out and it's not freezing. So this is the first time we're actually walking, literally walking through our neighborhood, guys. And of course we're taking you guys with us. Shoes messy?
No, just realize that this is in the pants.
The slit? Oh. Hold on, I'm so far that turn I did it. It seemed like as I start driving reach it.
Because the car is moving.
Walking, it feels far. Another community mailbox. Other houses. So far, guys, it's a nice little neighborhood to live in. Very quiet. The quietest neighborhood that we've lived in since being here. We literally don't know our neighbor. Literally don't know our neighbors. Guys, when I just came to Canada, I was driving something like this. Not this year, but a newer one. A 2016 Volkswagen Beetle. Something just like this, a punch buggy used to drive. Oh, so one of your neighbor, babes.
Oh, the one
Yeah,
beside us?
one beside me, yeah. We have a little play area for the kids right here. Can probably, like today's a good day, you know, can I probably bring them out here? Yeah, the cold? For sale. Well, how much should I sell it for? Guys, something as simple as just going on a walk sometimes feels surreal. And like for us, it's so important to us to always display an attitude of gratitude because, man, a couple of years ago, guys, we wouldn't think that would be here in Canada walking up and down. just regular walking and stuff like that. Whew. Your life can change in a second, guys. Your life can change in a minute. Don't give up on your dreams, man. Yeah. But that's one. Them just split it into two. Guys, this is the first time we're actually walking through our neighborhood. Not just tired.
I was up until 2 this morning.
Life of a schoolers. Something about your feet walking on snow.
What? Is that something?
Therapeutic.
No. Mailbox again.
Community mailbox. That's so much.
Yeah, let me see.
That's the Albertan signature, by the way.
Huh?
Cracking the windscreen.
Cracking the
Cracking the windscreen if you don't have one. You don't live in Alberta. (94A). And of course, you guys may notice mostly trucks and SUVs. Mostly, but you do have small cars as well. That's because of this beautiful thing that's called snow. You can lift right there, so yeah? Yeah. You wanted to go further?
No.
You want to say tired?
I'm good. I want to
Yeah.
go back home.
Yeah.
Go back to the other side.
Yeah. This is going to drop us back out in the middle. They all look the same. Guys, anything is possible, guys. Just believe in yourself, believe in your goals, keep working at it, guys. See the title of this video? Tour of our neighborhood. Which means that we own piece of the neighborhood. Yeah. We have a house in another neighborhood, guys. That's amazing, man. That's amazing.
Everybody down.
It's Saturday.
Saturday, yeah.
Sun is out today, guys. Sun is out. This one's bigger? Well, these two, yeah. This one's really bigger. Yeah. These three. Feeling piece of land bigger. Yeah. The foundation residence carriage lane.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is exactly its setup. For the door and the garage. The only thing is this don't have a thing will lead in the backyard. I see him saying, look at it. So slushy. Yes guys, so this is what our neighborhood is looking like. We're back at the buggy. So we have walked a full square. Nats is tired, so we're gonna end it right here, guys. We're gonna end it right here, guys. Guys, if you have been watching our channel and you have not already subscribed, we would really appreciate if you take a second to just subscribe to our channel. Let's see how soon we can get to 12,000 subscribers. We can't do it without your help. So if you have been watching our channel and you're not yet subscribed, please take a second to just subscribe. Really appreciate it, guys. All the persons who have already subscribed already, big up on yourself. Thank you guys so much. Really appreciate it. Smash a like on the videos as well. Don't be a silent watcher. When you smash a like on the videos, it really helps us out. And when you drop a comment, it helps us out even further. So support us. All of these things are really free. So if you enjoy the content, let us know. Takes a second. Alright guys, big up on yourself. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.